I have learned how to build circuit and program using the Arduino starter kit. It has given me the opportunity to use components like the LED, the jumper wires, resistors, and the remote.
We've done Arduino, the components, the software, and the hardware part of it.
Right from schematic design, illustrative design to building circuits and projects, it's been so much fun.
I've learned a lot, like building circuits, running codes so that my circuit will work.
During this section, I got a chance to build simple circuits using the Arduino starter kit.
The Arduino for Health program has been very impactful, inspiring and exciting. Throughout this session, I've really learned a lot about the Arduino board, its components, and how to connect circuits on the breadboard. A special thanks to MPLACE Girls and its partners for making this a success, and a special thanks to Ms. Karen for tutoring us and taking us through this.
We've engaged young ladies in circuit building, and it's been so inspiring as we see them engage themselves.
We are so happy that young people, especially women, are taking the initiative to be at the forefront of this technology. And we are happy that our partner Arduino Education, I'm Engaged, TME Education all support this initiative. Arduino